What's up, everybody? So if you have an expensive bike or a scooter, you want to protect your investment, today I'm going to show you this nice and easy to install lock that sits on your rail just like so, and it's a combination. So I'm going to show you how to set your own combination and review the lock. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is a 12mm combination lock. You set your own combination. It's way better than having a key because, I mean, a key you're just going to lose or misplace. We got this for a scooter. To add this is very simple. First, let's remove these two screws. Then get 2 nuts and 2 screws. Now stretch this over and take this rubber and place this inside. Next, take this little rubber thing and slide it in here. This is so you don't scuff up your handlebars or wherever you're placing this. Now this is going to wrap around the handlebars. Now we don't have a lot of space here, but we have enough. So we're gonna put this underneath. But before you do, just make sure that this goes in one way where it stops, see? So this will lock, and then you have to press this button to release, like that. If you put it the other way, it's just gonna go right through, see? So we're gonna go and put this in, and now we're gonna see where we want it. So usually you kinda want it out of sight, but we're gonna put it right here underneath, like this, and hopefully you have enough space for the bolts to meet. All right, so once this is on, take your 1 bolt. We're gonna put it from here out and put the nut on and screw it in. And voila. Now this is gonna hang tight. Unless you wanna remove it, then you press the button, it will slide off. You tighten it up, or you just press it in and it's not gonna fall off. Now I'm gonna show you how to set the combination lock. So how long is this lock? Well, it's definitely long enough. It's long enough to go through here and 2 other wheels, or even 3 scooters, and even attach it to a tree, definitely a post or a bike rack. So by default, line up all the numbers to 000, and this will open up the lock. There you go. To reprogram it, take this and rotate it counterclockwise about 90 degrees, and then you're gonna see there's this little thing that says set lock. And now set whatever combination you want. So let's go, for example, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. We've got 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we're gonna go and set this back, and now this is our new combination. So let's put the lock back in. All right, we're gonna mix it up. Locked, and now let's go 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Nope. And let's put that down to 2, and voila. That's how easy it is. So I hope this has been educational. Obviously, if you have an handheld grinder, anyone's gonna cut this. But you know, for a bike or scooter locks, this is definitely something you want to consider, and definitely beats having a key. So that's the video. Thanks for watching, and safe riding.